Guru Nation, you guys want daily updates now, and on our startup Yuma clinical trials here with Jaime Valles. Today was interesting because we have no patients in the office, but Desiree and Katie are there working on preparing for their first monitoring visit. That's a separate video for tomorrow.
That's right.
After tomorrow, we'll do a whole video. But Jaime and I decided to go out. Hey, you know what? I'm getting all these neurology studies.
Right.
We found a neurologist. I'm going to get into some details here. Then our PI said, hey, there, go to see this pediatrician. So we went there. And then, this was like a bonus, but behind us is a orthopedic physician. We came here looking for x-ray for one of our studies. And it turns out they might be interested in doing studies as well.
That's right.
And Jaime knows that guy, so that was an added benefit.
That's right.
But basically, I don't know, going out, if you own a clinic, doing community outreach with other providers, yes, it's time consuming. Yes, the staff wants to talk about all kinds of stuff with you, like when they're friendly.
That's right.
So it's time consuming, but it works at the end of the day. In the first place, the neurologist, who was probably the most interested out of anyone, he actually met with us. The front desk staff initially said, no, he's not interested. And I said, no. It only takes 5 minutes, and it's not what he's thinking it is. So then they went back, they did some shuffling, we went in there. Guess what? The guy's very interested. He gave me a cell phone number, text me info on the studies. Boom. What did you think about all this, Jaime?
It went better than I thought it would. Usually research, especially at the beginning, it gets the door pretty soon. And one of the comments today was like, well, we don't know that your company. No, we're new here. We started this recently. The good thing is our PI is pretty well known provider in the area, and then so that's always an added bonus to it. And it was way better receptive than I thought it would be.
Yeah, me too. So we really needed an X-ray vendor, a backup, because ours is giving us a hard time. So they're probably gonna do it. We told them just whatever Medicare charges, we'll pay double. For it, and it's like these are like super low budget what they're getting, so for research it's like it makes sense for them to do it. And then he's probably interested in doing, because he's the type of clinic that it would be interested in doing orthopedic type studies. And then the neurologist does not only neurology, they do psych
as well.
So it's like getting two PIs really in that place. And then the other one, which is like a wild card, is the pediatrician, but we still didn't get a no. We actually talked to him, and he rather abruptly said, send me a proposal.
That's right.
So there you go, Jaime.
Right.
Any last thoughts? Or people out there, there's site owners, people thinking of being site owners out there on the fence. They're like, Dan, I haven't approached any doctors because I don't have a business plan yet. I tell them, well, your business plan doesn't matter. The doctor is going to want to control your business plan anyways. Whatever you put 20 hours into a business plan could be thrown in the garbage when you meet your first doctor.
That's right. Just have an idea, though, of what the plan would be. Obviously know how research works. And one of the questions is like, what study you have, what protocol is it? And sometimes the answer will be like, we don't have one, but these are the interests areas for the studies that are being out there. But don't be afraid, don't be afraid to reach out, be confident. Good thing Dan does most of the talking. So,
let's get it,
so we got this, you got this.
Got to come back and send them the book, and then send them some protocol synopsis.
That's right.
That's it. All right, Jaime.
Awesome.
Tomorrow we'll do a video on the first monitoring visit for these girls.
Sounds good.
Take care, Guru Nation. Like, subscribe, comment, share.